This is the Madison College Writing Center's 2-Minute Tutors. I'm Kate Stover.
And I'm Suzanne Triber, and our focus today is what is a sentence fragment and how do you fix it?
For the next 2 minutes, we're going to discuss the biggest challenges with sentence fragments.
The problem is we read and talk in sentence fragments all the time.
Sure do.
Quite often, actually.
Yeah, like now.
I think you get our point. But when we write in college, fragments aren't acceptable.
Okay, so let's clarify what a sentence fragment is.
It's a part of a sentence or an incomplete thought. Most of the time, you can actually fix a sentence fragment by connecting it to either a sentence in front or after it.
Okay, well, let's start with sentence fragments that come after complete sentences. I've heard them called afterthought fragments.
Oh, I like that term.
Yeah.
Share some ways to tell if a writer has an afterthought sentence fragment, Kate.
Well, look at the words or phrases on this slide. In academic writing, it's just best to not start a sentence with one of them.
Let's look at an example.
Sure. The sentence is, I like weekends. The fragment begins with the word except. Since it is one of the words on the list, it's likely I can attach it to the sentence in front of it.
So I fix it by replacing the period with a comma, attaching the afterthought fragment to the sentence in front of it.
That's right.
But sometimes a fragment can join the sentence that follows it.
Right. I call them leading phrase fragments because they often lead into a sentence.
Sometimes leading phrase fragments start with an ing word, like walking or listening. If so, it probably could be the first part of the next sentence.
Or sometimes these leading phrase fragments start with a time word or phrase like while or as soon as. They could lead right into the next sentence as well.
Why don't we go ahead and look at an example of each?
Okay, let's start with ing words. Walking to the store is an incomplete thought. To fix it, change the period to a comma so it can become part of the next sentence.
Okay, now let's look at an example using a time word. While on spring break is an incomplete thought. To fix it, change the period to a comma so it can become part of the sentence that follows.
Suzanne, let's review.
First, look for lead-in or afterthought words or phrases.
Then when you find them, see if you can attach the fragment to the sentence in front or after it.
Need more? Why not talk with someone at your college's writing center?
Well, it looks like our work here is done, Suzanne. Right on.
Right on, Kate, and thank you all for joining us.